Name's Aaron Holmes, the local rep for Bobcat of Columbia. I cover everything from Carroll County, Lafayette County, Pettis County, down as far south as Montauk, Lake of the Ozarks area. Just loaded up T-76 and an MT-100. Headed up here to see Cecil and Sharona Iser. They own Do It Best Lumberyard up in Carrollton, and they're starting a rental house for the area. Already delivered a V519 to them.
My name is Sharona Iser. I'm with Woodshed Lumber and Hardware Supply. Offered rental from the beginning, but most people didn't know that we did. We decided to go ahead and expand, and we're getting ready to open our doors to Woodshed Outdoor Power and Rental right across the street. We have a big need for skid steers, mini excavators, the smaller things like sewer augers, but there's a lot of farmers. This is an agriculture area, so we have a lot of need for that. I met my husband in high school, and right after we graduated, he's a little older than me, but he bought his first Bobcat. Been around it for a little while now, and he's a builder, building new homes and commercial businesses and stuff. He's needed Bobcats and mini excavators. I've kind of spent the last 20-some years growing up on one. In the next couple weeks, slowly start opening my doors for the rental side of things. So kind of have a soft opening in February and really kick it off middle of March.